Hey guys, it's me, Autumn. We're making waffles today. I already two of the steps, fill the bowl up with the waffle mix. Get 3 cups of, use this, fill 3 cups of it and put it in there. Then now we're gonna start to mix. Oh my god, that feels so weird. Okay guys, we got done mixing it. Now we're gonna put it in our super expensive blender. Oh god, I don't know how to work. 1 notch.
Mm-hmm.
Looking like how to. Okay, hey, well, now we got our mixer. It's mixing it for us, and while it's doing that, I'm gonna go get some of my special.
There you go.
Guys, we just got done mixing this, so like my mom showed me how to spray this, and now I'm gonna spray the bottom. Oh god, it's steaming. Now, what do we do next?
All right, grab your big measuring cup.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so I scoop it and pour it in there?
Yep.
Oh god, this feels weird. Okay, so we kind of have a little spill. Well, it's not like a big spill, but I was pouring it in, then it kind of dripped a little. So it's cooking. Then why is it moving? So like when it's ready, you see that little green thing, and it says ready. When it's ready, it'll beep. Okay, so it's ready. Okay. Oh, I guess it didn't ding.
No, the light just comes on.
How
Turn the
does-
handle.
Oh,
Other way. There you go. All right, now you lift it all the way up. All the way
scared it
up.
might burn me.
It won't. All the way up.
I feel the sting.
Push, push, push. All right.
Now I showed you how to make waffles.
You gonna get it out?
I don't know how.
Grab your fork, get a little corner of it, and put it on the plate.
Okay, so I'm scared I might need a knife or something.
Yeah.
It kind of got a little messed up right here, but it's okay. Everything's not perfect.
Here you go.
Oh god. Let go! Let go! Can you hear me?
Here, you did it.
Bye guys.